There we go. Back to Coding with Sam. Today I'm going to make the new version of the Garefest website, which will be fun. Get to do some Photoshop. Let's open the folder, code, apartment, apps, nope. Old, Garefest. Select the folder. Get rid of that. Zoom in a bit. Alright. Get this up here. Give it an install just in case. Or I should have. I mean, it's been so long since I've used this. I'm gonna have to. Just in case. What? Oh. There we go. I already did that, but let's get the most recent version. Oh, it's when I added the schedule. Nice. Okay. Do that again. Basically, we're just going to be editing more JSON. And to start off, we're just going to copy the 2024 folder, paste it in here. Rename 2025. And that's most of the work. Let's run serve, come in here. I think schedule's gonna just get deleted. Directions doesn't change, rules usually doesn't change, schedule. I'm guessing they don't have the schedule yet. Theme is gonna be the main thing. Need to make a new Garefest poster background. So, you know, let's start with that. Open up Photoshop. Beta for the most recent AI features. If it starts to suck, then I'll switch to regular. That happens. Okay, let's check this out. No admin, that makes sense. Garefest 24. So what I'm gonna do is go to Instagram. It's just my Instagram. Following. Go. There we go. June 6 and 7. So would that be 5, 6, and 7? So much earlier this year. Maybe it is only 2 days. That's kind of sad. So we can't just take this directly. We gotta inspect it. I think it's gonna be this one with the padding. Yeah, there's the image. Maybe an image of poster and text that says 2025. That's so funny. blows my mind when people think AI is good. Like, it's good in very specific scenarios. I'm just gonna come in here. Ooh. You got an SRC set, I'm guessing? No, it's just a really long query string. Fuck. Copy it. New file from clipboard. I think this will work fine. Now I just need to use AI to get rid of all the text. We'll start with just the 2025. Generative fill with no instructions. Oh, I forgot to update my Twitch. What, did AI give up? Yeah, it looks like it just gave up. Try again, I guess. I must have hit enter to cancel or something. I think this one wins because it gets one of the star. No, the star shouldn't appear in there. So one of these two. I'm gonna go with this one. Oh, this one's better. Okay, so we'll stick with that. Rasterize it. Grab the eraser. Bring that back. And that's good. Now we'll work on the title. And we generative fill again without any prompts. Tells it to just get rid of it. Usually. That's how it works, not always. Works for me. Okay, let's do these It sucks that it takes longer, but generally you're better off doing this in many discrete bits instead of trying to have it generate this entire section. So I'm going to do June, the 6, and the ampersand, and the 7 are all separate ones. Probably do Sandy, Lake, PA. That looks pretty good. I think that's the best one. Might be this one. I'm gonna stick with this one. Rinse and repeat. Oh, what? It didn't fill in the center? That's probably gonna fuck this up. Oh, I guess it did. See, yeah, sometimes it doesn't get rid of it and it tries to do some weird shit. I think this is our best bet. Generate again, just in case we can get a better one. Yep, I like that one. Do it again. I guess while I'm waiting for these, I can come in here. I know, I guess I don't know, but I think the routing is where I set the year because nope, nope, it's in the service, the year service. Start year is the first year, recent years 2025. So save that. Nope. I think that's the best bet. Not really though. None of these are really good. Gonna get rid of these two and generate again. Come over here. Reload. And it redirects to 2025. That's good. So I'm at 2025. Yes, the colors are different. We got the lineup. Is it like without it? This is our best bet, but definitely need more options. Tickets. Tickets better not be up on the live site. Ooh, that looks good. I think this is the one. Kill PA. Shit, yeah. Tickets should not be here. Because this is from 2024. Oh well. No better time than now to get rid of it. I guess maybe when tickets stop being on sale would probably be better, but I didn't do that. Go for that. And then let's find out where... It's probably in the routing module. Yeah. Get rid of the tickets. Okay, let's line up playlist. The 2024 playlist. Directions. Schedule is going to be different. Rules are still the same. Okay, so let's do... When is it? June 6th through 7. So we'll go to the here, home. Very nice. Dance. Okay, we'll figure that out in a minute. Well, that's a winner. Oh, why is it on 4? Oh, all these are probably... Good enough. So I'm gonna merge the generated. Yeah, good enough. Okay, so I also need to do some expansion of this. I'm gonna go to the crop tool, on generative expand. Build is transparent. I want generative expand. I'm gonna start horizontally. Trying to hit 2048, but I don't think that's gonna happen. 2046 is good enough. One is the winner. Generate again. Two is pretty good. It's funny, I want both of these. So, duplicate this guy. Send him to this. And this one's keeping this, the other one's keeping that. So I'll just come over here. Right. Rasterize it, delete that half. And then this one. Wait, maybe not. Yeah, I was wrong. Get rid of that one. We're gonna keep this one. We're just going to do a little bit of extra generating over this. One wins. Give us 3 more options. Okay, let's go home. Oh, right. The home button is what took me to 2024. So if we go to that, it's 2025. If I go anywhere else, it stays at 2025. This though, oh no, that is going to take me to 2025. How'd I get back to 2024? That's going to be fun to figure out. Keep those, merge these. Very nice. Go back to generative expand. Probably not going to do a great job with its feet. Probably going to want add a whole third onto it. Okay, so if that's taking me to 2025, is it down here maybe? Huh. No, these are all 2025. That's the right date now. Are these? These are all 2025. Line up. Huh, wonder how I got back to 2024. Schedule? Yeah, schedule. I'll figure that out. I think it knows it's not going to do a good job with the feet, and that's why it's doing this. This is actually pretty cool. But not good. Might have to generate it in a few tries. I mean, all it has to do is expand this blue cloud to cover... God damn it. Ooh, he's trying. Okay, we'll get rid of generative expand. Give it like... just that. Make it easier on the AI. While we're here, let's take a look at schedule. Yeah, the links have 2024. I think if I just get rid of the date or the year altogether, the year service handles that automatically. So let's try that. 2025/about. This should say /about schedule Thursday, but it's going to redirect to 2025/about schedule Thursday. What about backtracking? Is that... oh no, we're stuck in yeah, that fucks up navigation. That's why I had it in here, so we'll put them back. Let's do a Control F for 2024. Place that. And then schedule. Not found. Yeah, definitely want to update those. Yeah, you know what? That is gonna be right. What was the other one I saw? Bands. It's just the images, then I'm gonna leave it because I'm not gonna give them new images. Close saved. Not quite, buddy. Okay. This is getting there. I'm gonna use this as a starting point at least. Maybe come back and finish up more. But I'm gonna go ahead and start doing the other pieces. That's going to 2025. That's 2025. These are all 2025. Image no longer works. That's okay because I haven't uploaded it yet. Check out Garefest again just in case they have any info. No info yet. Okay, I'll get the schedule from them when I can. This is a 2023 playlist. Interesting. Not even the 2020. I'm pretty sure there was a 2024 playlist. Nice. Car camping, RV. Pretty sure these are unchanged. Nerf theme is back every year, I think, which is pretty dope. Okay, so I'll take that out. We're gonna keep this one for a second. Come back to the app routing module. Add this back in. None of those. Put the tickets in there. This is the one. And we'll fill it out. Then I'm gonna have to replace some of these where the lines are all AIE. And that should be good until I get the bands. Well, I guess until I get the bands, I should. And the schedule. I'm just gonna delete the schedule rules. Schedule bands. Until we have the list of bands. I'm gonna see if I can find a better YouTube video for them. Garefest. Oh, it's it's me. Let's see, 23 recap videos is the one that's currently there. Where's give me their channel? Nope. Nope. Come back here. Is this a video? Nope. This is a video. This was a great set. Future Joy. At one point, the sax player played two saxes, one mouth. Oh, that's me. Right here. Okay. Can I embed this? Let's see, these are all 2024. Yeah. Okay, so I just need to ask somebody over at the company to, let's see, what do I need? I need the 2025 playlist. And This is it. Get rid of some of these artifacts. That's much better. I actually kind of like that, but this side needs cleaned up. Just need the lines to feel more intentional. No, sir. Better? I don't like what's going on here. Yeah, definitely this one. I just want like I want this one to look like the other ones, if at all possible. I don't need to be putting too much work into this. It's going to be a background, it's going to be a little blurred. That's what I wanted. Okay, let's back up for a second. Yep. Yep, I like it. I like it, just need a bit more height on the top. Let's try some more generative expand. And we want the dinosaur to be pretty centered in the canvas. Let's grab that. Well, this is fun. Like, turned it into a flag. We got some 3D going on here. Okay, so number one is the winner. Let's generate more. I'm gonna take a quick bathroom break. Ooh, stars. Whoops. Where's that coming from, guy? Okay, honestly, this feels like this might be the one. I don't think I'm gonna have to do anything. Well, maybe connect the fire a bit. I might try to spread it out and make it go off screen, but kind of like that. Okay, so definitely not number one. Yeah, let's stick with this one. And then do some... flames that's spreading out more. Come on, you know what I want, AI. It's not what I wanted. Okay, well this one wins, but get me back in here. This toolbar is so annoying sometimes. What's going on? Why can't I see my selection? What did I do? Oh, okay, opacity. I should be fine. More flames. Misspelled flames. At least it's getting better with text. More flames. This is actually funny. More flames without text in the style of the original piece. Duh. That's why I try to do it without typing, because once you start typing, then it starts to diverge from just what it thinks goes with it. It was doing so well. Maybe I'll try again without a prompt. See if I can figure it out. Damn it. Okay, maybe. It's actually not bad. I think I'm gonna stick with this. It's gonna be a little blurred anyway. More flames. Okay, I'm gonna call this a success. Save it. Export it. Oh, my shortcut for be back soon is the same as the export. Shortcut. That's pretty funny. Okay, too big. Bicubic smoother should save me not enough. I think that'll be fine. What if we put this at 7? Fuck no. 5? That's pretty small. We'll go with 6. Export it. Garefest 2025 background. Gonna save that. Gonna go to tiny PNG. That gets it down to 412 kilobytes. Very nice. Save it. Gonna log into AWS off screen. Nope. Good, my S3 bucket. Create folder. 2025. Upload. This is nowhere near as tall as the other ones. Hopefully it works and I don't have to make it taller. Upload. What's that for now? Yep. to the theme.json, remove dash tall. Save that. So this. Go to lineup. Oh, I did delete the lineup. Give it an inspect. Yeah, that looks pretty good to me. Make it full. And you got the head at least. Maybe I should make it a bit lower. Yeah, now you got the head. And the flames. Do very nice. That is a bit too far. Yeah, I want to see his chin in there. So probably, honestly, do 37. Yeah. Yep. Very nice, very nice. Okay, now, oh no. Shouldn't have closed Photoshop. We're not done, we're never done. Where's Mr. Smudge? Blur? I think blur should be good. I'm gonna merge everything. Blur the shit out of this so that I can get an approximation of what color it is instead of, you know, having a shit ton of pixels with texture that are all gonna give me different values. Gonna blur the shit out of it. I'm still seeing a good bit of texture. What's Smudge gonna do for me? Not enough. Well, no, actually that's pretty good. Let me just... Yeah. Yeah, Smudge is the way. Okay, now we'll grab our eyedropper. that. Copy the hex. Come into here. Go to 2024 theme. Nope, that was the last one. 2023 theme. Nope. I guess it's not in the theme JSON, so I'm guessing that's going to be in the SAS. Themes. There we go. That in there. Come back here. That. Save that. Down to the bottom. It's a nice blue. I think the red works well as well. Okay, looks like about has the schedule hard-coded. Come over here, find about. Wait, what? About rules and directions. Huh. While I'm here, I think I can. Actually, no, go to the app routing. Services, go to the routing service. Oh, okay, fine. Be that way. that. Title 2025. ID. Does it need an ID? I'll just keep it there. Yes, items. Oh, interesting. Oh no, there it goes. Okay. Line up. Okay, very nice. Go back to 2025. And then down here, yes. I click on 2024, come down here, and now this one's highlighted, and this one's highlighted. But if I go here, this one's not highlighted. Okay, so router link active options, yes, yes. Okay, I gotta make some slight changes here. Partials, footer. Okay. Router link active options. 2 places. Exact equals do a quick Google. JS check if string is number. Okay, so I can just call isNaN on a string. Very nice. I was wondering if I had to convert it first. So exact is going to be isNaN. Route dot title. isNaN doesn't exist. I can't do that here? it like. Bruh. Can I do that? Now we check AI. AI is so wrong most of the time. I'm guessing I just have to write a function. Yup, pretty lame. I'm definitely moving away from Angular when I have the chance. I'm just so ingrained into it right now. So we'll do... Okay, so since I'm doing this, I'm just gonna do this. Type of str does not equal single quotes. String return false. Otherwise return argument of type string is not assignable to parameter of type number. I guess in TypeScript you can't call isNown on a string. Odd. So let's come back here and see. Use type coercion to parse the entirety of the string. Parse float alone does not do this. Okay. Plus string. It's beautiful. We save that. Come in here. This is okay now. But yeah, we do need to optional chain that junk. Let's see. If it's not a number, then it has to be exact. Otherwise, false. And we're gonna do the same thing to the other one. What's wrong here? Oh, it's not route. It is route sector. Go back here. Now I'm on directions. But both of these, like this one, I do want to still be. Oh wait, what? Did I maybe do the opposite of what I wanted? If isNan Section.title. If it's not a number, then true, else false. Well, first off, I don't need that. So we'll check that out real quick. /lineup. Okay, so home, lineup are both. Yeah, so I think I want to give these a bang. Now we got it. Home isn't highlighted because I'm not on the home page. Lineup is, 2024 is, so I can go to 2023, and that takes me home, and go to about in 2023, let's go to 2025. Yep, very nice. Let's see. Lineup, playlist, rules, schedule, directions. So this is inaccurate. Let's come back here. Oh, wait. First, header. Header. We're also going to need to copy this, I imagine. Here. Do I still have it copied? Ooh, no. Back to the footer. Child. This is set. That. Come up here. 2025 is underlined. Schedule is underlined. Go to about 2025. You go to 24. 2024 and home. Preferably these would keep you on the same page, but I'm not going to worry about that. Since there's no lineup and schedule, I'm going to make those coming soon. Let's see. The about page is interesting to me. Because I'm not seeing, let's see, I have home, not found, playlist, theme. We have about, but it has these. So where is the about page coming? Here we go. About. Directions, rules, schedule. Okay, so directions, schedule, rules. Schedule, does it inherit from page? It does, okay. So it grabs the data in the same way. But, let's come down here. Theme. Theme is good. Playlist. good after I get the new playlist link. Rules. No, this is not found. Why not? Music, rules, fine. Wait, music. Playlist. And then schedule. Coming soon. When was, let's go back to home, June 6th through 7. Let's take a look at the calendar. June 6th is Friday. Saturday, June 7th. Get rid of that. Saturday. Only 2 days this year. I do believe I'm getting rid of those. And these, I guess. Save that. Rules are the same. Directions are the same. About is just... Okay. Okay. Come over here. Bring it up to 2025. This. Must be fixed. Makes more sense. Except for when it gets to here. Maybe I just change the max width. Is that not a thing? Of course it's not. Usually I'm against line breaks. Just see if it does anything. Yeah, that's why. Nothing. Oh, these classes don't exist anymore. Or don't exist yet. Oh, here we go. It does exist. It's just wider than I was expecting. Okay, 740 is what I want. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, let's go to here. Home, home, home. This one, fit, center, max sound. Just copy that. Go to 2023. No classes. Put it up here. And 24. Give that a reload. Garefest 24. Oh, wait. Why does that go to slash lineup? Oh, lineup was the default homepage at the time. In fact, let's copy over the buttons. Put them in the 2024. Place 23 with 24. Change this to 25. Change that to 25. Save it. Reload that. We're at 23. This is Garefest 24. It takes us to 24. We have Garefest 25. These all go to 24. This takes us to 25. There we go. Maybe I will also put the buttons on 25. Add that to 25. Replace those. And just get rid of this one. Lineup isn't out yet. Schedule. Friday, June 6th, Saturday, June 7th, Friday, June 6th, Saturday, June 7th. Take a look at 2024 and just gauge this out. Garefest schedule. You schedule Thursday, August 8th, Gates. Oh, so there's only buttons down there. And then this one, actually, where's the title for it? Schedule. Coming soon. Let's see, make this 2 grid, because there's only 2 days now. Save that, and then we'll take a look at the About Schedule page. So that should be there. you know what? That might not. Where's it? Routing. Does use the schedule component. What am I missing here? Yeah, we've got the grid with the widgets I defined. But then also oh. Right, this is a bug. This is a bug. Let me look at the page component. Right. Right. I feel like I can just get rid of this. Let's try that. See how bad it ruins everything. Okay. This page is fixed. Let's go back. Go back. We're good though. This is what I want. Let's check out about. Okay, well now we're missing. Okay, so undo this, but just get rid of the ngIf. Keep this grid. Go to home. Good here. Go to lineup. Gotta put it coming soon. Go to the playlist. Fine. Tickets is an external link. Already checked about. Let's go to directions. Very nice. Rules. Very nice. Schedule. Very nice. 2024. Let's go to lineup. Lunchbox Jam. I think we're good here. Go back to 2025. I see lineup and schedule are coming soon. So for now, go to the 25 home and just remove. Let's do directions and rules playlist. Directions. Maybe we'll do about. We'll just do about. Get rid of that one. Save that. Go to schedule. Get rid of the buttons for now until I actually have a schedule. Go to the new file. No. Copy the bands again. You know what, maybe I'm gonna keep some of these actually. Coming soon. Space Bacon can get destroyed. Chalk Dinosaur. Octopus always plays twice because it's their festival, so we're gonna keep that. Don't know if they're coming. I hope Lenny Kravitz is playing again. That'd be fucking dope. Bow Tank is probably gonna be there, but I don't know yet. Habitat, Massive Hawk, Other Bugs, Optimus Rift, The Settlement, Seven Teller, Wild Blue Yonder, Barnacle Feed, Deep Casual, Inflatable Space Station, Logan B and Dirty Leaf, Loopy G, Tumble Dweeb is most likely gonna be playing. Let's just keep that there. You'd see Lunchbox Jam. Okay, so we'll just have Tumble Dweeb and Lunchbox Jam. Literally the only people who I have a pretty good feeling are gonna be there. So we're gonna save that. Go over here. Reload this. Playlist and about. Playlist and about. Playlist. We'll take us to the playlist. Gonna get a new link for that. Lineup. 2024/lineup. Oh, I think because it's a new file in the assets folder, I need to reserve it. That feels right. There we go. Lineup coming soon. Broctopus, Tumbledweed, Lunchbox Jam. Broctopus. Got other info, contact, links. Back. Tumbledweeb. Contact, links. Back. Lunchbox Jam. Just a description of the Lunchbox Jam. I almost did it last year, but then I chickened out, and then some like 10-year-old girl went up and absolutely killed it. I mean, not really. She basically someone taught her what an E minor was, and then she just kept playing that. But she had more guts than I did. Okay, so we have the lineup, we have the bands, playlist. About has directions, schedule coming soon, but we have the days. Rules are pretty static. Schedule. Just these. Excuse me. And now you can switch between 2025, 2024, 2023, and it transitions, you know, the backgrounds, different theme colors. So that's pretty fun. That is pretty fun. I think I'm pretty good here. Home lineup playlist is okay. You know, I need to write down. What my Garefest to-dos are on my trusty whiteboard. I'm gonna delete the Garefest notice. Let's get that. Definitely need to finish compliance. G-Fest. DCL. Okay, G-Fest is 1. Playlist. Already asked for. Home. Video. Lineup. Schedule. Man, whiteboards suck as a lefty. You gotta work real hard not to erase everything while you're writing new things. Okay, so lineup, schedule. Already got tickets. Home video, playlist, lineup, schedule. And then I should be good on that. Then I'll go to Death Comes Lifting. Before I do that, I need to stop paying LegalZoom for compliance, because I feel like they're not even helping me with shit. I fell out of compliance with a bunch of stuff, and you know, they didn't let me know, so I'm not gonna pay them to not keep me in compliance. But this looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Tickets, schedule, playlist, about rules, directions, lineup. Lineup is coming soon, but we have Brocktopost, Tumbledweed, Lunchbox Jam, and the live art vendors, camping, dancing, food. Up in here, these are correctly underlined. Schedule coming soon. I fixed the bug. Okay. Okay. I think I'm ready to launch this. The only question I have is maybe with the border and texture. I might want to filter. You rotate. Nope. Nope. It's already orange, so I want it to go backwards and turn kind of red. That's too purple. Let's see. This is 0, very brown orange. Like -25 is good. Getting too purple. -25 or 30. I'm gonna do -25. And then let's check that out on the border as well. Is that not what this is? No, this one is the... This one's the texture, this one's the border. Really? Doesn't feel like it. No, this one's the texture. Okay, texture gets hue rotate minus 25. And then this one's the border, I imagine. It's not. What is it? Maybe it's nothing. Here's border image. So, oh. Maybe I extracted the border to be in the after because of this issue where if I want to do the filter here, it's gonna filter the content as well. Which I do not want. I do minus 15 here. And if I do that, maybe this one doesn't need it. Maybe it needs less. Give it also a minus 15. Image, repeat. Yeah, no, can't do that. What if I got rid of that? Came back to here, did only update the texture. What do I do? Minus 25. It kind of lowers contrast with the colors. But I think I'm about it. So, copy that. Back over here, go to our theme. Include no. No, maybe I'm just not gonna do that. I was already at a good place before I started overthinking it. Okay, let's take a look, see where we are. Untracked files is the new content. Give it a git diff. Let's see, new ticket URL. Removed the issue with number of children. Change route link active options. Is nan. Changed active options is nan. Push the year. Change the recent year. Center 2023. Max small. Give 2024 buttons. Add 2025 to the themes. That's good. Add. Commit 2025. Wait. Okay, so git restore stage dot. It's gonna unstage. Cool. I'm gonna do a git stash. Git status. Your branch is up to date with origin prod. Okay, untracked files. I thought it would stash those as well. That would be nice, but now that I'm here, I'm gonna do git switch -c to create a new branch from prod, and I'm fairly certain look at my branches 2023 prod and dev. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna come over here and just make the new branch 2024. Git push 2024. Okay. Then we git switch to the previous branch. Git switch dash brings you back to the previous branch you were at. Now we can do git stash off. And now we're back to where we were. And I can git commit, no, git add dash a, git commit dash m 2025. Git push. Okay. Now we should be good. I'm gonna take a quick bathroom break and then we'll come back and we'll check everything out. And then I'm gonna back out, see what things I can do off stream while my headphones charge. And we'll do more coding after that. Might play a game of Isaac, we'll see what happens. Yeah, be right back. got a few minutes. Check out the status of my installed applications. NVM, Firefox, GitHub, AWS, Zoom, Adobe, Epic, Cursor, which means I can't do it in here. Rufus. Okay, we'll close Cursor. Cancel this. Don't save. Close all my cursor. Hide the screen so you don't see my proprietary cursor. Ooh, that's me. Open up VS Code. Upgrade all of my applications. If you're not using Winget, I highly recommend using Winget. You know, one line, one command, and all these, most of these are going to get upgraded. I don't think NVM will. Discord definitely won't. And it says down here they have upgrades available but require explicit targeting for upgrade. That's because Discord has its own upgrading system. Oh, there we go. We're on 2025. I just loaded the wrong one. We come here. It's by default 2025. Playlist about. Lineup. Octopus. Gotta get them on the new system because I sped up all these animations. Let's try 2024. 23. Go back to 25. Go to about. Cool. Cool. We are good there. So I will be back. We can do some I'm going to continue working on the Square store using Node and the API, Lambda functions with Node and the Square API. Basically, I need to implement, what do I need to implement? Adding users to the mailing list. Okay, subscriptions should work, but I have to make sure it works, test that. Pickup. Gotta make sure pickup works. And after all that, then I can update Death Comes Lifting's website. That's gonna be fun. And that'll be most of my requirements. So, thanks for joining. Catch y'all on the flip side. Peace out.